We'll guide you through how to update Inkscape to the latest version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Inkscape website at inkscape.org. Once there, navigate to the download section, which you can find in the top menu. Click on download, and you'll be taken to the page where you can choose your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, select the appropriate version for your system. Click the link to download the latest release. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. On Windows, this might be an exe file, while on a Mac, it could be a DMG file. Follow the installation prompts, which will guide you through the process. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions, choose a destination folder, and decide whether to create desktop shortcuts. If you're updating from a previous version, the installer should automatically detect your existing installation and proceed with the update. Once the installation is complete, open Inkscape to make sure everything is working properly. Check the help menu and select about Inkscape to confirm that you're running the latest version. It's a good idea to explore the release notes on the Inkscape website to familiarize yourself with any new features or changes. Keeping Inkscape updated ensures you have the latest tools and security improvements, so make it a habit to check for updates regularly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.